It's Christmas, the most cozy time of the year, and today I'm going to see what these old computers can do to get me into the Christmas spirit. It's nice to watch a few demos for a bit, but then I feel like playing a few games. I have this one magazine from December of 1989. What games did people play or read about at that time? First we see that there is a review about Turbo Outrun. The Ferrari F40 and the Porsche 959 are two of the world's fastest supercars, both capable of 200 miles per hour plus. So the story is that you have the F40, and someone in a 959 thinks that his car is the best. So you challenge him to a race. It gets 97% in this review. Then we have Stunt Car Racer. It says this is a futuristic game where cars can accelerate from 0 to 60 in only 2 seconds, and you drive on crazy, dangerous tracks. People are praising it, saying it's like sitting on a roller coaster. It gets a score of 94% on the Commodore 64 and 92% on the Amiga. This game is really great on the Commodore 64, but as a kid, I played this on the Amiga. What I like most about this game is that you feel the weight of the car as it lands and when it's bouncing around on the road. Let's flip the page to look at the last game I will play today. And the game I want to play here is Dogs of War for the Amiga. It's a shoot 'em up with lots of weapons, but it can get a bit repetitive. It gets a score of 77%. I love the intro with the music and this Arnold Schwarzenegger-like man with his big muscles and his big gun. And it was so exciting with all of the different types of weapons you could use. Grenades, flamethrower, bazooka. The music, the fast-paced action, makes it really thrilling to play and to kill all those bastards as they scream in agony when they die. Then I die because I suck. If that doesn't get you into the Christmas mood, then I don't know what will. Perhaps if we look a bit more at the magazine. So I thought, let's see if we can find some interesting hardware in this magazine from '89. At least the Lamborghini Countach. That is the most beautiful car of all time. Well, we can see some joysticks. Conix Mega Blaster. And Competition Pro 5000. Okay. And PowerPlay Crystal Standard. And here we can see Commodore 64 repairs and spares. Or bring it to us for while you wait repairs. Around 1 hour. I guess they didn't need to fix broken traces and stuff. Walk like an Egyptian. And win a fabulous Ghetto Blaster from Outrun. So you can win this Ghetto Blaster and walk like this. Okay. And did you ever imagine loading your C64 on a CD? No. 10 classic games on CD for the Commodore 64. So I guess you use a CD player because the games are just audio. Yeah, suitable for every CBM64 and normal CD players. I didn't have a CD player until well into the 90s. Action Replay MK4. Ah, look at this. The Cobra, the stick with the killer bite. Tough, rugged, and mean. I loved these type of joysticks before, that looked fancy. 8 micro switches, 3 auto rapid fire buttons, 1 standard button. Why so many buttons? Do you want to drive, or do you want to really drive? Racemaker. But is it analog, do you think, or just digital? I think it's just digital. Features: realistic control, responsive feel, dial speed, up to fire, sucker feet. Okay. And I think that's it, actually. Yes. Well, thank you so much for watching, and have a very Merry Christmas. Goodbye.